Exercise 11.3, first question. Make up as many expressions with numbers, no variables as you can from three numbers 5, 7 and 8. Every number should be used not more than once. Use only addition, subtraction and multiplication. It is really easy. 5, 7, 8, three numbers are given. So, we have to use operations like addition, subtraction and multiplication in between, which you can write as 5 into 8 minus 7, 5 into 8 plus 7, 8 plus 5 into 7, 8 minus 5 into 7, 7 plus 5 into 8, 7 minus 5 into 8. Next is, which of the following are expressions with numbers only? Y plus 3, y is a variable, so it is not. Then second one, 7 into 20 minus 8z. 8z is there, so it is not. Then next one is 5 into 21 minus 7 plus 7 into 2. So it is an expression with the numbers. Why? No variable in this. No variable in this. So C is an expression with numbers only. What about D? D is 5. That is also expression with the numbers only. Next one is 3x. So x is a variable, so no. Next is 5 minus 5n. N is a variable. 7 into 20 minus 5 into 10 minus 45 plus p. P is a variable, so it is not. So the expressions with the numbers means only C and D. Next is identify the operations. Third question, addition, subtraction, division or multiplication in forming the following expressions and tell how the expressions have been formed. 5z plus 1. Z plus 1 means the operation is addition. How it is formed? 1 is added to z. That is the answer. 1 is added to z. Then a second part is z minus 1. What is the operation? Subtraction is the operation. How it is forming? 1 subtracted from z. 1 subtracted from z. Next, y plus 17. Addition is the operation. How it is forming? 17 is added to y. 17 is added to y. Then y minus 17. The operation is subtraction. 17 is subtracted from y. Similarly, you can do B, C and D. B is the operation 17y, the operation is multiplication. How it is forming? Y is multiplied by 17. Next is y divided by 17. The operation is division. It is y divided by 17 itself. Then next is 5z. The operation is multiplication. How can you write that? 5 is multiplied by z or z is multiplied by 5. Then 2y plus 17. The operations are multiplication and addition. How can you write that? 17 is added to, the question is this, 2y plus 17. How can you write this? 17 is added to the product of 2 and y. Or you can write 2 was multiplied by 17 and the product is, 2 was multiplied by y and the product is added to 17. You can write in any way. Next, 2y minus 17. 2y minus 17. How can you write this? The operations are multiplication and subtraction. How can you write this? 17 is subtracted from the product of 2 and y. The 17 is subtracted from the product of 2 and y. Next, 7m. 7m, the operation is multiplication. How can you form this? 7 is multiplied by m. Then minus 7m plus 3. Minus 7m plus 3. The operations are multiplication and addition. How it is forming? 3 is added to the product of minus 7 and m. 3 is added to the product of minus 7 and m. Minus 7m minus 3. Operations are multiplication and subtraction. So how can you write? 3 is subtracted from the product of minus 7 and m. 3 is subtracted from the product of minus 7 and m. Next, sixth question. Form expressions using t and 4. Use not more than one number operation. Every expression must have t in it. You have to form the expressions using t and 4 using the operations. So, what we can write as t plus 4, t minus 4, then 4 minus t. Then operations, next 4 into t. Then 4 divided by t, then t divided by 4. The same way, second one, this is the first one, A. Second one is form the expressions using y2 and 7. y2 and 7. We can write 2y plus 7. Only two operations. 2y minus 7. Then 7y plus 2, 7y minus 2. Then what you can write? 2y divided by 7, 7y divided by 2 and so on. 7y divided by 2 and so on. You can write like this. These are the operations.